A hands elevated push-up is one of the progressions on the way to a regular push-up. To do it, just elevate your hands onto a bench, a box, a chair, or any other elevated surface. Just keep in mind that the higher the elevation, the easier the push-up. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and straighten your legs. Now tilt your pelvis backward, tightening your abs and squeezing your butt. Don't shrug your shoulders. Instead, pull your shoulder blades back and push them down. This will put your shoulders in a safer position and allow you to engage your chest better. This is your starting position. From here, bring your chest all the way down, controlling the movement. Come all the way back up. Inhale going down, exhale coming back up. There are two common mistakes to avoid. First, hand position. I've seen many people placing their hands like this. That's a mistake. You want to make sure that your middle finger is pointing forward. Second, elbow position. Don't let them flare out too much. Not only your chest will be less activated, but it can also lead to a shoulder injury. So keep your elbows tucked, preferably at a 45 to 60 degree angle.